Today, we are going to discuss the topic of green jobs. Our participants are Akash, Ravi, Rutvi, Karan, and Aman. Let's start with Akash. Akash, can you explain the benefits of green jobs?
Sure, green jobs have numerous benefits. They help in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, which is crucial for combating climate change. They also minimize waste and pollution, making our environment cleaner and healthier. Green jobs often focus on protecting and restoring ecosystems, which is essential for maintaining biodiversity. Lastly, they help us adapt to the effects of climate change by promoting sustainable practices.
Great points, Akash. Ravi, can you add to this and maybe discuss green jobs in agriculture?
Of course, green jobs in agriculture focus on sustainable farming practices. This includes organic farming, which avoids the use of synthetic pesticide and fertilizer, and permaculture, which designs agricultural systems that mimic natural ecosystems. These practices not only protect the soil and water resources but also enhance the health and productivity of the land. Additionally, green jobs in agriculture can involve agroforestry, which integrates trees and shrubs into farming systems to improve biodiversity and reduce carbon emissions.
Thank you, Ravi. Rutvi, could you talk about green jobs in transportation?
Definitely. Green jobs in transportation are all about promoting sustainable and efficient ways to move people and goods. This includes developing and maintaining public transit systems like buses and trains, which reduce the number of individual cars on the road. It also involves creating infrastructure for electric vehicles, such as charging stations, and promoting the use of bicycles and walking through urban planning. These jobs help reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to healthier and more sustainable cities.
Excellent insights, Rutvi. Karan, what about green jobs in water conservation?
Green jobs in water conservation focus on protecting and managing our water resources. This includes roles in water treatment, ensuring that our water supply is clean and safe to drink. It also involves implementing water-saving technologies and practices in agriculture, industry, and households to reduce water consumption. Jobs in this sector might also focus on restoring wetlands and other natural water systems to improve water quality and biodiversity. These efforts are crucial for maintaining a sustainable water supply, especially in areas facing water scarcity.
Very informative, Karan. Aman, can you explain green jobs in the field of solar and wind energy?
Green jobs in solar and wind energy involve the development, installation, and maintenance of renewable energy systems. These jobs range from manufacturing solar panels and wind turbines to installing them on buildings and in wind farms. Professionals in this field also work on improving the efficiency and storage of renewable energy. By replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy sources, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and our dependence on non-renewable resources. This sector is growing rapidly and offers numerous opportunities for innovation and job creation.
Thank you, Aman. Akash, can you talk about green jobs in ecotourism?
Certainly, green jobs in ecotourism focus on sustainable travel practices that minimize the environmental impact and benefit local communities. This includes roles in managing eco-friendly accommodations, guiding nature tours, and promoting conservation efforts. Ecotourism jobs also involve educating tourists about the importance of protecting natural habitats and wildlife. By supporting ecotourism, we can promote environmental awareness and provide economic benefits to local communities while preserving natural resources.
Great, Akash. Ravi, what about green jobs in building and construction?
Green jobs in building and construction involve designing and constructing buildings that are energy efficient. and environmentally friendly. This includes using sustainable materials, implementing energy-saving technologies, and designing buildings that use natural light and ventilation. Green construction also focuses on reducing waste and recycling materials. Professionals in this field work on creating green certifications and standards, like LEED, which ensure that buildings meet specific environmental criteria. These efforts help reduce the carbon footprint of the construction industry and create healthier living spaces.
Excellent, Ravi. Rutvi, can you discuss green jobs in solid waste management?
Sure. Green jobs in solid waste management focus on reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. This includes roles in waste collection, sorting, and processing recyclable materials. Professionals in this field also work on developing and implementing waste reduction programs, such as composting and zero waste initiatives. By managing waste sustainably, we can reduce pollution, conserve resources, and create a circular economy where materials are continuously reused. This sector is crucial for mitigating the environmental impact of waste and promoting sustainability.
Thank you, Rutvi. Karan, what about green jobs in appropriate technology?
Green jobs in appropriate technology involve developing and promoting technologies that are environmentally friendly and suitable for the local context. This includes renewable energy solutions like solar cookers, water purification systems, and energy-efficient appliances. Professionals in this field focus on creating technologies that are affordable, easy to use, and sustainable. By implementing appropriate technologies, we can improve the quality of life for people in developing regions while minimizing environmental impact.
Wonderful contributions, everyone. To summarize, we have discussed the benefits of green jobs and their various applications in agriculture, transportation, water conservation, renewable energy, ecotourism, building and construction, solid waste management, and appropriate technology. These jobs are essential for creating a sustainable future and addressing the challenges of climate change. Thank you all for your valuable insights. This concludes our group discussion.